अरे okay, today morning we did almost variety of questions. So now some questions, few questions are left from the first part. Okay, not on some, on only first part. Okay, so that we can do now. I hope you all are practicing the questions which we did in the morning. Okay, that all are very very important. Okay, almost I covered all the variety. Okay, so okay, write down next question. How many digits? How many digits? Sorry, how many two-digit numbers are? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. So here they are saying two digits. Okay. Two-digit number which are divisible by 7. That numbers we have to, how many numbers, two-digit numbers are there that are divisible by 7? That we have to find out. That means here we have to find out the value for n. Okay. So 2-digit, 7-digit number, it is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, then 7 twos are 14. Because 7 we can't take because this is a one digit number. So 14 and so on. Okay, so this is what we will get AP. So this is actually a 2-mark question. So once we get this AP, then from that you will get A is equal to 14, D is nothing but 7. Okay, and we have to here find out. Okay, we have to find out here n, and here 2-digit number, that means last number also we will get. No, 100 is not divisible by 7. Then if we take 99, that is also not divisible. Then if we take 98, then 98 is divisible by 7. Okay, so here last term, or we can say that an is equal to 98. So we have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is nothing but here 98. First term we have 14 plus we have here n minus 1 and common difference is 7. So here 98 minus 14 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. So 98 minus 14 is nothing but 84 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Okay. So if you simplify this, then you will get the answer. Okay. Check this, simplify this. So here n is equal to 14, n is equal to 10 or 12 plus this is 1, so n is equal to 13. So number of terms are how many? 13. So 13 numbers are there which are divisible by 7 only if we consider 2 digits. Okay. So here answer will come n is equal to 13. Okay. So solve this. So write down this 5-mark question. Okay, write down this. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and last term to the product of two middle terms is 7:15. Is 7:15. Find the numbers. I will repeat this. This is one of the questions from the sample paper, and this question they ask for 5 marks. Okay. The sum, I will repeat this question. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and last term of the product of two middle terms is 7:15. Find the numbers. Okay. So this is 5-mark question. So in the morning today we learned B is equal to A plus C by 2. Okay, that is the mean of B we calculated for the numbers A and C. So here also by default we have to take these numbers. Okay, let 4 consecutive terms of an AP. Okay, by default we have to learn this. Okay, so here first number we have to take it as A minus 3D. So we can write here first term is nothing but A minus 3D. Okay, this is the first. second number is a minus d, a minus d, third number is a plus d. The same what 4 consecutive number, no? Then fourth term is nothing but here a plus 3d. Okay, these are the 4 consecutive terms we are taking. Okay, it's very easy to remember a minus d, a plus d. Then another is a plus 3d and a minus 3d. So these are the 4 consecutive numbers we have, and they are saying according to this condition, the 4 consecutive numbers, if we take a sum, that sum is equal to how much? 32. Okay, then I will take this sum here, a plus 3d, then a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 32. Now here plus 3d minus d plus d are get cancelled. Here a and a, that is 4a is equal to 32, then a is equal to how much? 8. Okay, so a will get as what? 8. So check on, this is 5 mark question. So whatever the conditions are given, follow that conditions. Okay, a is equal to, we got it as a 32. Now next what they are saying, the ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of the 2 middle terms. Okay, so we can take here a minus 3d and last term is a plus 3d. Don't miss this sequence. Okay, so here and last is here ratio of the 2 middle terms, that is a minus d and a plus d, that is equal to how much? 5:4, no, sorry, 7:15. So write down here 7/15. Now you can open this bracket. Here you can do a minus b, a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus 3d bracket square upon a plus d, a minus d, that is a square minus d square is equal to 7/15. Okay, so we can write here 7/15 and we will try to simplify. I hope everyone is copied these above 2-3 lines so that I can simplify and I will calculate the value for d from here. And once we will get the value for d, then we can obtain the AP. Okay, for this question you have to learn the first term, second term, third term and fourth term, and remember this sequence. A minus 3d and a plus 3d are first and last term respectively, and middle terms are a minus d and a plus d. Okay, don't forget this. I hope everyone copied the above first 2-3 lines. So I will go here and erase this part. Okay. Here we can write a square minus 9d square multiplied by 15 is equal to 7. Here a square minus b square. Here 15 you can multiply. Okay, now 15 into 9. 15 into 9 is 125 d square. 7a square minus 7d square. Okay. So here 15a square minus 7a square, I transpose here, 125 will become plus 125d square plus 7d square. Oh, yeah, 7 minus 7. Sorry, this is minus 7. Now 15 minus 7 is nothing but how much? 8a square. Okay, and 125 minus 7 is nothing but how much? Check here. 25 minus 7. One 25 minus 7. One 8. Check, I am getting 118. Is it? Is all the calculations are correct? Because if we divide, then we are getting fraction. So this is 15a square plus a. This will become minus. Then this is plus and this will become minus, correct? Yeah, it's 118. So 118 divided by 8, 4, 5 10 Check once what is the answer. I am getting here something. Oh, I did the mistake. That is 15 into 9. 15 into 9 is how much? 15 nines are. That's what answer is not getting. Okay. Check. Do that correction there. Do that correction there. 15 nines are 135. Okay. 15 nines are how much here? 135. Do that correction. I made a mistake here. That's what I got wrong answer. Okay. This is 8a square. Now 130, 128 d square. Okay. So now check. Do the division. Can we able to divide? Is it getting whole number? Is it 16? Okay, a square is equal to 128 by 8 d square. That is a square is equal to 16 d square. Okay, and now a we got it as how much? A is a 8, correct? So a is a 8. 8 square is equal to 16 d square. 8 8s are 64 upon 16 is equal to d square. So here 4, so d square is equal to 4 and d is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. Okay, so this is what the answer. Okay, so if I take d as a plus, okay, if I am taking d as a plus 2, suppose common difference I am taking plus 2, then here 8, 10, 12 and so on, and if I am taking minus 2, then I am getting 8 minus 6, then 4, 2, 0 and so on. Okay, these answers we are getting. So this is 5-mark question. Here I think even here also I never solved this. So this is one of the sample paper question is there. Okay, that's what I covered this question. Very important question is this. Okay, one more question right now. I hope everyone has copied this question. This question is very IMP question. This question came for 5 marks in one of the sample paper, that is 2020-2022. In both the papers, 23. So on these both paper, this question I saw in the sample paper. That's what I covered this question. Everyone can copy it properly, write down this question properly. Okay, everyone copied this. So write down the next question. Find the values of a comma b and c. Find the value of a comma b and c such that the numbers a comma 7 comma b comma 23 and c are in AP. Okay, so here I will repeat. Find the values of A, B and C such that the numbers A, 7, B, 23 and C are in AP. Okay. So we have to find out the unknown variables here A, B and C. Try this question. Okay, whatever the questions which we solved up to this, so use your knowledge and try to solve this question. This is also a odds question. Okay, this question was asked in 2015 and 2020. Check what is the answer for this. I am waiting for your answer. Can anyone able to solve this? Okay. Can anyone type the answer if someone solved? Okay, I will solve. I will start because you are never responding as you all are sleeping. Okay, so here the question is that numbers are given. Okay, means AP is given. We have to find out the variables which are given, that is A, B and C. Okay, so I will write down this AP and how they apply the logic over here, or how to apply the logic is very important over here. Okay, here we have A 7, then B 23, B 23 and C. These are they are saying they are in AP. Okay, they are in AP. So here A, B, C are any random numbers, we don't know. But here this is A first term, this is A second term, this is A third and this is what? A fourth, and we have this as A fifth term. Okay. So if I want the term, that is, suppose if I take the common difference is D. Okay. So if I take here 1 plus 7 means this A plus 7. First term plus 7, then I will get the common difference. No, sorry, not this common difference. We can take it as here A plus D. If we add the first term and common difference, then I will get the previous number. Okay. So here I will write A plus common difference. This is equal to 7. I don't know about the numbers, but I am randomly writing here. Okay. Now here, suppose if I want here the term is how much? 27, no, it is given, no, it's 23. Here it is given 23. Suppose if I want to write the A fourth term over here. So I can write here A fourth term means I am adding 1, 2, 3. Means 3 times the common difference. So this I will get 23. And if I add 1 times, then I am getting the second term, that is 7. Okay. So I got these two equations. So if I get these two equations, so here important is what? How I am getting second term and how I am getting fourth term? By adding one time common difference in the first and by adding three times the common difference in the first term, then I am getting fourth term. So check here, you can solve this by elimination method here. So these two are get cancelled. Minus 2d is equal to minus, how much we will get here? D. Check here, what is the value? If 20, how much? 23 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is nothing but 6 minus 16. So minus minus get cancelled. 2d is equal to 16. So d is equal to how much? You will get 8. Once you get 8, then substitute in one first equation. A plus 8 is equal to 7. So a you will get how much? Minus 1. Can you getting this? So I will get a as a minus 1. So first term is nothing but whatever. A is nothing but 1, 7. Then B. B how can you find out here? We have the separate marks for B also. Okay. B is nothing but what? If I want this term B, B is nothing but A plus 2D, no? Correct? So A is nothing but minus 1. 2 into common difference is 8. So minus 1 plus 16 is nothing but what? You will get it as a 15. Okay, can you getting this? So I am getting B as a 15, this as a A. Okay, A is minus 1, don't forget. Okay, and then we want the C, that is A fifth term. So if I want C, then I am adding 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the common difference. So minus 1 plus 32, that is equal to 31. So I am getting C as a 31. Okay. So how we calculate it? So for applying the concept you have 1 mark, calculation for D and A is 1 mark and calculation for A, B, C 1 mark. Okay. So this is also 5 mark question. Can you getting this? Okay, so these two questions which I covered, these both are from the HOTS. Okay, so copy this properly. Okay, finished up to here. Okay, everyone is copied. So can we go for the next problem? Write down, if the nth term of an AP, if nth term of an AP is, if the nth term of an AP is minus 1, comma 4, comma 9, comma 14 and so on is 129. Is 129. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Okay, I'll repeat. If the nth term of an AP is -1, 4, 9, 14 and so on is 129, find the value for n. Okay, so here AP is given. At least you can calculate A and D from this. Okay, and A nth term also they are asking. So this question is actually 1 mark, but here you have to use brain. Okay, so here try to find out A and D over here. Okay. So here AP is given -1, 4, -1, 4, 9, 14 is how much? 129, no? Yeah, is 129. Is 129. Find the value for n. Okay, so here A is given. A is -1, D is 4 minus of -1, that is equal to 5. Okay, students are making mistake here. They are simply doing 4 minus 1 is 3. No, that is wrong. So here D is nothing but what? We will get 5. So they are saying here A nth term is nothing but what? 129. So I will write here A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A n is 129. A is -1 and I don't know, -1 into D. D is 5. So here 129 plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 5. So 130 by 5 is equal to n minus 1, and calculate the answer for this. Check what you will get. N is equal to 27. We will get n is equal to 27. Okay. Now write down the last question for a homework. Which term of the AP 8, 14, 20, 26 will be 72 more than its 41st term. I'll repeat. Which number of the AP 8, 14, 20, 26 and so on will be 72 more than its 41st term. Okay, this question you can do it as a homework. They are saying 72 more than its 41st term. Okay, which term is there? I don't know that term. So you can write that an is equal to 72 plus a 41 and solve this. Here in short they are asking the value for n. Okay, so if you put the values, you will get the value, we will get the answer for n. Okay, and with this I covered almost all the questions for arithmetic progression first part. Okay, that is nth term, all questions I finished. So tomorrow onwards I will cover the numericals of some of the terms. Okay, and I'll finish this chapter by tomorrow. Okay, I am teaching in part. If I teach both together, then maybe there is a confusion. Okay, so practice this question which we did in the morning. Okay, I am leaving this meeting.